guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be showing you a mini room tour of our accommodation while we're at Bryce Canyon National Park. This place is also located in Tropic, Utah, not actually close to Bryce Canyon, which is about 20 minutes away. However, this town is very cute and also facing the mountains, so it's very peaceful and quiet. Without further ado, let me show you and let's get on to the video. So we are currently in Bryce, Utah, and this is our accommodation for the night. We're just here for the night because we're flying back to Boston a day after tomorrow. So this is the overview of our room. So it's a cute lodge or cabin, and we do have a king-size bed, and the bed frame is made of wood. I'm not sure if it's reclaimed wood, but the entire place is made of log or wood. I'm not sure. And if you have an extra person, there's a futon here. And then I do have a TV and the restroom or the bathroom, which is pretty clean. And that's it for this video. If you made this far, thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a like and share it to your friends. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for notification for my next posting. Again, I'll see you soon. Bye.